spend the night in hotel parking lot.
I have spent the night in hotel parking lots.
What was I gonna do? I ain't had nowhere to stay.
What was I gonna do? I had nowhere to stay,
So I lived in the car.
so I lived in the car.
I had $35.
I had $85.
And I said, come on, God.
And I say, come on,
Trying to
girl. I've been trying to make this dream come
left
true.
me out here like,
You don't leave me out here like this.
and I was crying so hard
And I was crying so hard that he
that
just
he just
said,
said, I didn't like your voice.
I didn't like your voice or nothing.
But he spoke to me, and however he said,
But he spoke to me in however he said,
if you get up,
I'm
gonna take you places
I'm gonna take you places you are never been.
I was finna quit.
No, now I was finna to quit, so I
So
said,
I said,
skip it.
I'm
I'm quitting
anyway.
anyway. So I got in my car.
I
I
went to a payphone,
went to pay phone,
and I was gonna call my dad.
and I was gonna call my dad.
You remember back
You remember back in
in the day where you could
the day when you were doing pushing the code and call your answering machine and you get your messages.
So I called.
So I called
And I punched in the code.
And I punched the code and the machine
she
said,
He said, hey Steve, this is Chuck.
He said, hey Steve, it is Chuck Sutton with Showtime in the parlor. We saw a type of you. You are very funny. If you could get here Sunday night, and we love to put you on the television.